Oh! Let me show you. Chat, what's going on? So here's the deal. My parents left me and I'm hungry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chef up, I feel like hibachi, but I'm too cheap to go out and get hibachi. So I'm just gonna wing it. No recipe, some good content. So I'm gonna make just some hibachi steak and just some like hibachi style fried rice, just out of stuff that's in my freezer. So here's the deal. I wanna get MSG into this. The only issue is I don't have any MSG. So I have a couple things of bouillon cubes, some chicken bouillon cubes. It'll give it a good flavor, but I'm gonna see if I can turn it back into powder in my mortar and pestle. And it's probably gonna turn out terrible. Like, oh. Holy, I think that's the best that's ever worked. Sick. I cooked rice, cooked about 10 minutes ago. I threw it in the fridge on a cookie sheet just to try to get it to dry up a little bit. So a big difference that I've seen, you know, in hibachi rice versus like regular fried rice is like there's more vegetables. So like carrots, peas, and good thing for me is I have a half freezer burnt bag of frozen vegetables. What's next? I ran out of fresh garlic. Let me just see if I have any garlic. No, I do not. So I guess we're going onion, frozen vegetables. Yeah, I could do that. Egg. My chickens need more calcium. They're like, nah. Their shells are like super thin. All right. Pan's heating up. Got my stuff. I'm gonna go get the rice out of the fridge. All right. Dried out a little bit. See it picking up in sheets. That's gonna be nice. And before any of you ask, yes, I did wash my rice. I just didn't record it this time. We'll see. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know about where you guys are, but it was, yesterday it felt like 102 here, and then today it felt like, I think I said it felt like it was gonna feel like 98. Like, come on. That's too much, too much. All right, it's thawed. Oh! Oh! Let me show you. What the fuck? What the fuck? gonna have to clean that up. Off camera enough. Okay. Ooh, found it. Garlic salt, chili powder, garlic powder, That's actually solid as fuck. All right. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. The kitty wanted to see what I was doing. Kitty. All right, steak time. So chat, I'm gonna be honest. These steaks are terrible. So I'm not gonna out my beef guy, but I bought half a cow from a guy. Not good. This fat cap right here, all grizzle. So I'm just gonna take that off, you know. Good sized chunks. You know, I think a lot of people have had hibachi steak. I know last video I said, oh, next video is gonna be something special. I'm getting busy. Not gonna say what's happening in my life, but something big's happening. And I'm gonna have to postpone the recording of that big video. So I'm gonna get this one out for next week. I'm trying to think back to when I've made hibachi. I'm pretty sure there's like ginger in hibachi sauce, but I have this P.F. Chang's teriyaki sauce that is pretty fucking sweet. So I think I'm gonna take some of that and mix it with a couple things and we'll be good. I don't know what was cooked in this pan, but here's a pan. Basic on the steak. Main thing out of it, get it nice and good. Throw the sauce on it. I think there was French toast in that pan. But how do you guys think this is gonna turn out? Like, being honest. My dogs are looking at me so weird right now. They're like, who are you talking to? No one else is here. Remember guys, I have no idea no recipe, doing this all off the dome. So, If you guys think I did good, if you guys think I'm doing good, drop a like. Drop a like. If you guys are still here, drop a like. Alright. Yeah, this is like really sweet. Hey, this doesn't taste just like teriyaki. So, you know, add some in there. Like, it's like thick. Like, it's sort of, it's up there. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I've made it with a recipe before, like brown sugar and stuff. This stuff's so sweet, it just sweetens it right up for you. All right, let's get it plated up. Almost forgot the yum yum sauce. Excuse me, puppy. Here we go. I think I did really good. Let me get you guys for a close-up shot. For a little look. Ooh. Chat, I think I did a good job. No recipe at all. Winging it. Whew. Can't eat it with that. No. That's pretty damn good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get to eating this. Drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next. Have a good one.